Tesla's RoboTaxi event. I think the Tesla Bot stole the show. This is just the way it came out. The event was about the autonomous driving, which was great to see what they're doing in the autonomous driving arena and new cars and using some of the older cars that they already have, as a part of that network as well. It seems like it's going to be a great thing for people to be able to just jump into a car and get wherever you want to go without really, worrying about anything. Just you and the car getting where you have to go. It makes a lot of sense, and it really shows some growth potential. But the real big growth really seems to be the Tesla Bot, and they have made some strides with this. I mean, it is now walking. It has more human-like features and traits, I guess, or mannerisms rather. So it is really looking great as far as the product that they built. So we will see really where this goes, and this is definitely a sign of major growth in the future because many people could use a bot. Many businesses could use a bot. Even when you think about autonomous driving, if the bot can drive a car, it can drive any car. So that'll be a plus as well. But all the things they talked about as far as cutting the grass at the house or cooking or watching the kids, helping with homework, whatever, all those different things that it can do, that is just simply amazing. But I would say the Tesla Bot stole the show. So let's get to the charts. All right. So looking at Tesla, we did have a pullback today as well for Tesla. This is the daily chart, and even if you have a little bit of a pullback, and I don't know if that's short sales, I'm not sure. There's just speculation and that sort of thing. But when you look at long-term growth, this company get into industries that they're currently not in. Those industries being wide open because usually they're first to really push the manufacturing side of any type of business to really manufacture what they're talking about. And the Tesla Bot, as well as the robo-taxis, they're really going to manufacture these things and put them out there on the road as best they can. And then we'll see how the chips fall. But when you think about the fact that they are willing to make that sacrifice and make that move to make something happen, and the growth that this organization could have over many cycles. So even if we get a pullback, in a way I would expect really a gap up just based on the news and the progress that they've made. But even if you get a pullback, I would think that would be short-lived, and we will continue to see a movement back up to about $300 is the initial, one of the price targets that we have here is roughly about $300 level. So that's where I really would expect this to begin to trend toward even more after seeing the products and seeing what they can do in the future with those particular products. So in the comments, let me know what you think about Tesla and the robo-taxis as well as the Tesla Bot. And just go ahead and like and subscribe as well.